In this lesson, we're going to go over tree diagrams and conditional probability. Peter either walks or cycles to work. The probability that he walks is 0.25. If Peter walks to work, the probability that he is late is 0.1. If he cycles to work, the probability that he is late is 0.05. The tree diagram for this information is shown. On a day chosen at random, Peter walked to work. Write down the probability that he was on time. If we know that Peter walked to work, then we're only looking at this part right here. It says, what is the probability he was on time? The directions say write down, and it is a 1-point question, so it should be easy. If he walks, the probability that he is on time is 0.9. For a different day, also chosen at random, find the probability that Peter cycled to work and was late. And in probability means to multiply. So he cycled to work and was late. Cycles to work and is late. You're going to multiply those two together. So it's going to be 0.75 times 0.05. Make sure that you show what you're multiplying before you get the answer from the calculator. The answer is 0.0375. Part C. Find the probability that, given Peter was late, he cycled to work. The given condition is that Peter was late, and I recognize that because it comes after the word given. That is going to be my new denominator. Whenever you have conditional probability, your new denominator is going to be the given condition. So in this case, what is given is that Peter was late for work. How do I determine the probability that Peter was late to work? Either he walks and he's late to work, or he cycles and he's late to work. So the probability that Peter is late is going to be 0.25 times 0.1 plus, because every time you say or in probability, it's plus, 0.75 times 0.05. So the probability that Peter was late is 0.0625. That is going to become our denominator. The numerator is find the probability that he cycled to work. So what's the probability that he cycled to work and he was late? So the probability that he cycled to work, given that he was late, is going to be the probability he cycled to work and was late, which is 0.75 times 0.05, divided by the given condition, which we found to be 0.0625, which is that he was late. All of this is going to go straight into your calculator, and your answer is going to be 0.6. Subscribe to my channel for more help with math so that you can say, yes, I can do math. Until next time.